Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Abdul Basit and today I have brought another interesting topic of linguistics for you. And in this video we are going to talk about the classification of vowels. Well, previously we talked about the phonetics and phonology in general, and then we talked about the classification of consonants, in which we discussed voicing, place of articulation and manner of articulation of consonants. Well, in this particular video, we're going to talk about the classification of vowels. And if we compare vowels with consonants, all the vowels are voiced. But some consonants are voiced and some consonants are voiceless. But if we talk about vowels, all the vowels are voiced. Because when we produce the vowel sounds, there is no obstruction of air in the mouth. The air passes freely. Okay, and when we produce the vowel sounds, our vocal cords join together, and when they join together, there is certain vibration here that can be felt on our Adam's apple. So because of this, all the vowels are voiced. All right. So well, if we talk about the classification of vowels, there are some front vowels, and then central vowels, and then back vowels. Let's have a look on this picture. Okay, in this picture you can find the gap here. You can see that there is a gap between the roof of the mouth and then the lower side of the mouth. Okay, and in this picture this gap has been taken. All right, here you can see the gap between the roof of the mouth, okay, and then you can say that floor of the mouth where the tongue is placed. All right, so in this picture this gap has been taken. Okay, so let's look at this. So in this diagram, here we have the front vowels, then central vowels, and then back vowels. Okay, so first of all I'm going to talk about the front vowels. All right, here we have E as in C. Okay, and then we have E as in sit. Okay, and then we have A as in bet, met. Okay, and then we have A, the sheep sound, as in fat, mat, cat, etc. Okay, well, here when we produce the sound E, the tongue is raised and there is a closure. It means that the mouth gap is closed by the tongue. The tongue is raised to the roof. That is why you can see that here there is close. Okay, and then there is half close when we produce the sound sit, E. In E, the tongue does not reach the roof, therefore it is half closed. And then we have the sound A, in which the mouth is half open, the tongue again does not reach the roof, it is lower than that, therefore it is half open. And then we produce the sound A, the tongue rests on the floor. So it means that it is open, mouth is open, there is no closure. All right, so these are 4 front vowels. Well, then we have central vowels. In center we have schwa sound, okay, as in about. Then we have a long sound as in earth, earth. And then we have a very small sound as in but, cut, shut. Okay, it's a very small sound. Now we come to the back vowels. Okay, here we have oo as in boot, food. It's a long sound. Okay, and then we have oo as in good. Okay, and then we have aw as in saw with lip rounding, and then we have aw as in heart with less lip rounding as compared to the this sound aw as in saw. Okay, and then we have a as in father, father. It's a long sound a. Alright, so these are the back vowels. Okay, here we have oo, oo. Okay, the back of the tongue raises, and there is a cloyer in the mouth, but not the cloyer of the ear. And then we have oo. Here it is half closed, and then we have aw. Okay, it is half open, and then we have aw or a. So here it is open because tongue rests below. Alright, so here we have talked about the 12 vowels, and these are monophthongs. We also have diphthongs, okay, the double vowels. These were the single vowels. Some of them were short vowels and some of them were long vowels. Other than these, we have diphthongs, means double vowels in which the tongue glides from one position to another. We are going to discuss the diphthongs in the next video. So this was all about today's video. I hope that you have got the understanding of the vowel sounds, and if there is any confusion, you can ask the questions in the comments below. And if you have any suggestion in your mind, you can also tell me in the comments for the benefit of the viewers. So if you like the video, if you like the content, please hit the like button, and if you are not one of my subscribers, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.